Cities are the engines of growth for the future. It is predicted that 60% of the population will live in metropolises by 2025. Cities will only be able to manage this growth through sustainable development. An efficient infrastructure for traffic, water, power supply, and buildings is essential. Integrated coordinated products and systems provide a solid foundation for this, permitting optimized energy consumption in buildings. Siemens offers a full portfolio to handle all the major building management functions. Control components are the basis for building and room automation. They open or close the window blinds and regulate the indoor climate. Presence detectors and light sensors automatically switch the lights on and off and regulate the lighting level as required, depending on the amount of natural light. Fire alarms detect smoke in time before a fire breaks out. The room temperature controller for heating, cooling, and ventilation ensures an optimal indoor climate. All room controls can be manually operated via user interface. Orientation lights safely show the way in the dark. Thanks to room automation, all these building management functions work together smoothly for maximum energy efficiency. What happens during a typical day shows this well. At night, the entire building is in nighttime mode. Power consumption is reduced to a minimum and all unnecessary electricity loads are deactivated. At 6 a.m., the heating and ventilation are switched to standby mode. This improves the indoor air quality. The closed window shades reduce the need for cooling or heating. At the start of work at 9 a.m., the functions are automatically activated, depending on whether anyone is in the room. The presence of people is detected by the access controller. The room temperature controller ensures an optimal indoor climate through proper heating and ventilation. Lighting is switched on by presence detectors or manually. The sun protection collector opens the window blinds and allows daylight into the room. At the same time, it prevents dazzling or heating by direct sunlight. Depending on the work and weather situation, the room automation system adjusts the lighting and climate automatically over the course of the day. On hot days, the window blinds are closed and the air conditioning is switched on automatically. During the midday break, all functions switch back to standby mode. This reduces power consumption. After the midday break, all functions switch back on and regulate as required. For example, if the sky is cloudy, the window blinds are opened and the lighting adjusted. In the evening, lighting reaches its full intensity. After the end of the workday, when all rooms have been vacated, the lighting is automatically switched off. The room temperature controller reverts to standby mode and all electricity loads are deactivated. This minimizes the quiescent current consumption of networked devices, PCs, and monitors. In the event of a fire alarm, emergency lighting is activated so that people may safely evacuate the building. At the same time, all door locking systems are opened and the ventilation, heating, and air conditioning are deactivated. After the alarm is over, nighttime mode is reactivated for the building. Maximum energy efficiency in buildings is possible with an integrated and coordinated product and system portfolio for room automation. With building and lighting technology from Siemens and Osram.